Havwoods started off as a small family business in 1976, and we've now become a global business working with senior brands.
Our products can be found in the best restaurants, the best hotels, across many locations around the world.
The quality for us is so important. We don't just deliver flooring, we deliver a premium product that goes right into the heart of someone's design.
The wood flooring experience is unique. It's a natural product in your building. It's warm and it's enjoyable to walk on. It's beautiful.
Sustainability for me is extremely important at Havwoods, and we're focused on working with suppliers that manage forests correctly.
What makes Havwoods unique is the dedication to service, supplying our customers with what they need.
Within our showrooms we've got really well-trained expert staff who know every one of our product lines and are able to understand a designer, architect's concept and bring those designs to life.
The first thing we want to establish from a designer or from a client is what feel are they trying to achieve? What is the space going to be used for? What's the footfall? Because that wood floor is going to be a large part of the overall surface of the room. And the most important thing to us is we're creating a beautiful space that they're going to spend time in and work in.
The benefits of Havwoods wood flooring over others, we think, is the variety of finishes, the range of colours and textures, and also the warmth of the material.
Havwoods customer service is great. They're always there for us, and we also really like the different range of materials that they use. And yeah, we're big fans of using timber within our product.